In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open an InDesign assignment by icma in InCopy. If you're working on editorial content that's laid out in Adobe InDesign, the assignment file, or .icma, is your bridge into Adobe InCopy. It tells InCopy exactly which stories and assets you're meant to work on without exposing the entire design file. This keeps collaboration smooth and prevents layout changes while you focus on writing or editing. Start by launching Adobe InCopy on your computer. Opening InCopy first ensures the assignment loads using the workflow Adobe recommends and keeps everything organized inside the app. Once InCopy is open, head to the File menu and choose Open. This brings up the standard Open dialog. Navigate to the location where you saved the icma file you received or exported from InDesign. That might be a shared server, a synced cloud folder, or a project directory on your machine. Look for the file extension icma so you know you're picking the assignment and not a different document type. If you don't immediately see it, use the file type filter in the dialog to show InCopy assignments or all documents. That way, the assignment won't be hidden by a filter. Select the icma file and click Open. InCopy will load the assignment and connect to its linked content. Depending on the size of the project and your network speed, this can take a moment. That's normal because InCopy is reading the assignment instructions and preparing the content you're allowed to work on. When the assignment opens, you'll see its contents listed in the Assignments panel. This is your home base for the project. You'll notice the stories and assets organized under the assignment name, and you can drill into individual items to start working. From here, you can edit the text and work with any placed graphics that are available to you through the assignment. The layout is still controlled by InDesign, so your changes stay focused on the content while the design remains intact. A few helpful tips as you work. Keep the icma in its original folder so the assignment can find its related links. If your team is sharing files, try not to rename or move the assignment while others are using it. And for the best compatibility, use an InCopy version that matches the InDesign version that created the assignment. That's the complete supported workflow. Open InCopy, go to File, Open, select the .icma, and start editing right inside the Assignments panel. You're ready to collaborate confidently and keep your content moving.